This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can create the calendar event on this device. So, to begin with, launch the Google Calendar app. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then choose the date that you would like to create the event for. In here, tap at this plus sign, go for the event option, and in here you can set your event up properly. So starting with adding the event title, so let's say I'll name it the doctor's appointment. In here, choose whether you would like to be reminded about it the entire day, or not reminded, rather set this event to occur the whole 2nd of March in my case, or you can set some certain time frames for it to start and end respectively. So let's say I'll set it to occur from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. Then you can also modify the time zone, choose whether you would like for this event to repeat or not, respectively daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So let's say I'll make it a monthly occurrence. Then you can add some people to this event, invite some participants, let's say, also add some video conferencing if this event is some kind of a work, business call, or conference call, whatever. You can add the location at which the event will occur, as well as set the reminder for it and decide when you would like to be reminded about this event. Pick some custom color for it, add the description, and then you can save it. And let me open the monthly calendar view. As you can see, the event was successfully added or linked to my calendar. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.